What if I told you? You could launch an entire business, from the logo to the product to the website to the marketing, without touching a thing yourself. That's exactly what I did. I gave artificial intelligence full control. No human team, no freelancers, just AI tools. Today, I'll show you every single step. What worked, what failed, and if it actually made money. Welcome to the channel. This is AI Golden Era, where we test the limits of artificial intelligence in the real world. Let's dive in. I started with a blank page and one mission. Can AI build a profitable business in less than 72 hours, starting from zero? First, I asked ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas that require no physical inventory, can be fully automated, and can start generating revenue within days. After 10 minutes, it came up with 1. An AI-powered digital product store. 2. A micro online course business. 3. A content creation agency powered by AI. I told ChatGPT, pick the one with the best chance of making profit fast. It chose option 1, an AI digital product store. So, we were officially in business. Next step, name, brand, and logo. I asked ChatGPT and Midjourney to brainstorm names that sound modern, clean, and techy. After about 15 tries, the final name was NeuroNova, an AI-powered brand that sells smart digital tools for creators and entrepreneurs. Then I moved to Midjourney. Prompt: minimal futuristic logo for a tech brand named NeuroNova, dark background, neon glow. It generated 4 amazing options, and I used Canva's Magic Edit to finalize the one you see on screen right now. We had a name, we had a logo, we had a vibe, and all of it created 100% by AI. So now we needed a product to sell. I asked ChatGPT, what can NeuroNova sell that's digital, valuable, and easy to automate? So it came up with a pack of AI-generated Notion templates for productivity, custom ChatGPT prompts for entrepreneurs, and a bundle of AI art presets for Midjourney users. I like the idea of Notion templates, so I told ChatGPT to build a structure for a productivity operating system. It designed the layout, page logic, categories, and descriptions. Then I used Notion AI to actually create the templates and fill in the content. In 45 minutes, we had 3 digital products ready. Cost, $0. Time spent, under an hour. Efficiency, insane. Okay, now let's build the store. I told ChatGPT, generate the copy for a 1-page website that sells NeuroNova's Notion templates. It wrote everything: hero section, benefits, testimonials, fictional for now, pricing, FAQ. Then I used Durable AI Website Builder. All I had to do was paste the description, and in 30 seconds it generated a full website with colors, layout, and text. I uploaded the logo, adjusted a few sections with Gamma.app, and the site was live. Yes, an entire branded website in under 30 minutes. No code, no design skills. Just AI. Now comes the fun part, marketing. I asked ChatGPT, create a 7-day launch strategy using only AI tools, including social posts, emails, and visuals. It built a full campaign plan. Then I used Opus Clip to turn AI-generated text into short video ads, Synthesia to create AI presenters like this one, Recraft for social graphics, and ChatGPT advanced data analysis to schedule everything. We launched on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, all scheduled through Metricool AI. Cost so far still $0 except for AI subscriptions. And after 48 hours, the site had its first sales. Small ones, but real. After 3 days, here were the results. Website traffic, 1,400 visits. Conversion rate, 2.3%. Revenue, $86.50. Total cost, $42 for AI tools. So yes, the business actually made profit. But what's more interesting isn't the number, it's how little human effort it took. All in one weekend. The lesson? Artificial intelligence doesn't just assist anymore, it builds. What worked? The branding and web design. Flawless and fast. The automation. Incredibly efficient. What failed? Product uniqueness. AI templates look great but too generic. Marketing needed real testimonials and human touch. So yes, AI can build a business, but humans still make it meaningful. And that's the full story. An entire business built from scratch by artificial intelligence. It's not perfect, but it's definitely impressive. If anything, it shows how fast and capable these tools have become. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, right here on AI Golden Era.